Today I'm going to show you how to do this easy peasy Haldi makeup look.
Dot foundation all over your prepped skin and then blend it with a damp sponge. Apply color corrector where required. Followed by concealer. Blend it all together. Set your base in place using a loose powder. Use a bronzer on the hollows of your cheeks and on the jawline. And also on your nose. Apply a blush and a highlighter on the high points of your face. Groom your brows and then fill them in. Apply a light brown eyeshadow on the outer corner of your eyes and blend it into the crease to create a transition. Next, apply a darker brown to deepen the transition color. Blend all of this together with a lighter shade such as peach. Now use a kajal pencil to draw a rough line on top of your upper lashes. Now smudge this with a black eyeshadow and take it into the outer corner as well as the crease. Blend this all in using a darker brown eyeshadow and fill up your lid with a shimmer of your choice. Use a kajal pencil in your waterline and smudge it using a brown eyeshadow. Apply mascara. Highlight your brow bone and the inner corner of your eyes. Use a lipstick that suits your mood. And set your makeup with setting spray.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.